Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we have given a beautiful mathematical expression that is 16 divided 2 bracket 2 plus 2 times 2. So let's start with today's video solution. It looks simple, right? Still many people fail to solve this. How? They solve it 16 divided then 2, 2 plus 2, 4, multiply and then again 2. 16 divided 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16 and 16 divided by 16 is 1, which is the incorrect answer because the approach is incorrect. When you have given multiple operation in an expression like this, there is a division sign, then bracket, addition, multiplication. So multiple operations are given, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. So when you take a right approach, you will always reach at right answer. So what is PEMDAS rule? Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D both have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. That is multiplication and division. Similarly, A and S, addition, subtraction have same priority. Just solve it from left to right. So let's solve this expression with the help of PEMDAS rule. So first we have to solve the parenthesis. That means this bracket 16 divided by 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, and when there is no symbol outside the bracket, you just have to put simple multiplication. Now we have two operations, division and multiplication. We already said that both have same priority. You can solve it from anywhere, but starting from left to right. So from left to right, first is 16 divided by 2, which is 8 times, then what is left? 4 times 2, 8 times 4 is 32 times 2, which is equals to 64. So what is the correct answer? 64, not 1. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. If you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below, and if you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.